Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to stream games on TikTok using PC. Alright, let's begin. First, open any internet browser and type TikTok Live Studio, then click the top website to download it. Click the Windows Download button and open your Downloads folder to install the app. Once installed, open the Start menu and launch Live Studio. Sign in with your TikTok account. Next, select Portrait or Landscape in the top left. Click the plus icon next to Sources, select Game Capture and press Add. Check Select Game, then choose the game you want to stream. If it doesn't appear, open the game first like Roblox. Press Add Source, reposition and resize the window. Once ready, press Go Live to start streaming. So that's basically how you can stream games on TikTok using PC. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.